Okay, I mean I love you, I'm frontin', the feeling's mutual, but you ain't getting me back, man, you delusional. I should've been left your ass, huh? Oh, that chicken head you fucking with ass, huh?
What's up, pretty gang? Welcome back to my channel, and if you ain't gang, you can't hang in, that's on period. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And today's wig is going to be this 30-inch deep wave 13x4 lace front wig I got from Wigmy hair or whatever. And let's be honest, like, this hair is not 30 inches. It is 26 inches. I did measure it and I did contact them about it. It was this, I'm gonna make a story time on it because the seller literally tried to like basically threaten that he was gonna commit suicide. It's a whole story, but anyway, what I'm doing right now is I'm plucking the frontal, obviously, and yeah, that's really what I'm doing. I feel like I really did pluck this frontal really nice. Like, this is my first time really plucking a frontal as thin as I did, because sometimes I'm too scared to like pluck it OD, so I'd be like doing the bare minimum. But I was like, you know, with this wig I'm gonna just pluck it. So I did pluck it really good. It might look thin as y'all are watching right now because the hair is still wet, so I always pluck my frontals when they're wet. You're gonna want to do that so that you can see like how thin the frontal is getting, and then when the frontal dries it'll fill in a little bit more, and then when you mold it it'll end up really nice. So y'all gonna see what I'm doing here. And this is how that first side turned out, and y'all could see that. And I know my knots are showing. I know somebody's gonna point that out. My knots are showing because this company's knots is really thick on this wig. I don't know why they made it so thick. I tried to bleach it for like 30 minutes. I usually do 40, but I did it for 30 this time, and the knots, the lace turned orange, but the knots was still very much visible. So you can see I'm gonna cover it up later on in the video with some makeup. I put some liquid foundation and stuff like that. We're gonna get there. But look how cute this was. Like, y'all see that? Okay, I should, man, I'm gonna start selling wigs. You already know. So this video really is just gonna be like me showing how I plucked it and stuff like that, and giving an honest review, because I was gonna like record me installing it, but my camera was dying. It was literally on like 20%, so I decided to record at the wrong time. I'll make a separate video for that. But other than that, this hair, even though it wasn't the right length, this hair is actually pretty nice. Like, the curls was really defined, and also it's very soft when it came first out the packaging. And I didn't have much problems other than like the frontal. I didn't like the frontal because I ordered a 13x4 HD transparent lace, and why is it like 4 inches deep in the middle but not 4 inches deep on the sides? Like, I hate when companies do that, but look, I made it work and it still looked cute. So yeah, so now I just showed myself putting on the makeup and stuff like that. I did go in with a liquid layer and then a powdered layer because, again, I'm trying to hide those knots so that when I install it you don't really see it. And in these next clips I'm just gonna show you, like, look how good it looks on the mannequin. Like, y'all could tell that's gonna be a real nice install. Like, y'all could just tell, like, look at that. Like, and the hair is still wet, so that's why I did think I may have plucked it a little bit too much in some areas. Like at the end, like in the middle, was a little bit, like, you could tell I really plucked it, but it still came out cute. It still came out cute, period. Another con about this hair was when I got it and when I first washed it, it was actually really dirty. Like, the water was brown, and every time I never had that happen to me before. Like, usually, like, when I rinse a wig or wash it before I start working on it, the water is clear. I washed this, the water was tight brown, and I'm looking, I'm like, why is this like dirty? But anyway, this is what the inside of the cap looked like. I did cut out them 3 combs because we all know that gets annoying. And here I'm just starting to mold my wig a little bit. I did not use too much of the wax stick this time because it's deep wave hair, and most of the time I am going to be going for a wet look, so I didn't want too much sticky wax on the top because then it would have looked real tacky and real ugly. So with this one, you really don't need to mold it down that much as you would with another wig. And I just used my hot comb around the hairline and the middle part and stuff like that. and I think I defined the curls a little bit in the end, and all I used to define the curls was water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and that's about it. I did use a little bit of like the what is it called, like it's like a Jerry curl activator gel or whatever. I had bought it for my natural hair, but it was way too watery. Like, it's very water based, so I decided to use it for this wig, and it worked out perfectly. The curls lasted all day. It stayed, it didn't get hard. The hair was still very soft after it dried and everything like that. And I also did use it to go ahead and do my edges, which I did off camera, like I said, because my camera was dying. And in this part right here, y'all can see like where the bald spot was. It's not really like a bald spot, but like you can tell I got a little bit too happy with the plucking right there. But when I installed it, you can't really tell like at all, because I'm just nice like that. So because I did not fully oh my god, I can't talk. Because I did not fully record me installing the wig, I recorded a little clip in between, and this is the final results or whatever. Y'all see that scalp period lace wear, sweetie? Look at that hairline. Okay, that's the best I've ever done, and that's on period. Bruh, I mean, I could do a little bit better, but I didn't have that much space on the sides to pluck that much. But y'all can't tell me I didn't finesse though, like, period. All right, guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope y'all like it. Like, comment, subscribe, because y'all see the melt period. Lace who, lace where, lace what? Okay.